What's up, beautiful people? This is your man Benjamin from ohepographics, and today's video will be discussing all you need to know about Coreldraw graphic user interface GUI or Workspace. So for this particular video, I'll be showing you guys the graphic user interface for Coreldraw 2020 because it's the latest version, and due to standardization, Coreldraw has kept their user interface unique across board. So what you might just experience is what you might notice is just new features here and there, especially for new products. Okay, so there are no much difference, all that. So if you can get yourself used to this particular interface, you don't have issues at all with new or previous versions of Coreldraw. So without wasting much time, I'm going to turn my camera and we'll start discussing the graphic user interface ASAP. So right now I'm on my desktop, so what I'll do is to now launch the Coreldraw 2020 application right here. So you just give it some couple of seconds. The splash screen is here, very beautiful splash screen, so we'll give it some couple of time for the main application graphic user interface to load. Okay, so it should be done any moment from now, just a couple of seconds, and yeah. This is now the graphic user interface proper for Coreldraw 2020. So if you've recently used the application to do one or two documents like I do, you can see some of the previous work you've done all displayed here. So just click this new button document here, new document button here to just bring out this create new document for us. So where we can just, let me see, just give it a name, graphics. Okay. Normally I leave the preset as custom, number of pages 1, also the primary color I usually leave it at RGB, then the dimension I leave it the paper size on A4, which is like the universal paper size we have, then the width and height I just leave the unit, document unit for millimeters, just like how you see it, and then the resolution DPI. Then the color setting area I really don't do anything here much. You can probably do everything within the document, so it's fine. So we just hit OK and move to the graphic user environment proper. Okay, so what we'll be discussing, the number one element we discuss on the graphic user interface is the toolbox. Okay, which is here. So you can see all the different tools located on the toolbox. Okay, so the next one is the document tab. The document tab, you can see these are just the document tab. Okay, so different documents, you can also navigate and create new one as you want, as you wish. Then the title bar, you can see this is the title bar up here displaying a document name. You can see it boldly written here. Then the menu bar, so the menu bar comes immediately after the title bar, just like every other standard computer programs. Okay, this is the menu bar. Then the toolbar, these are the toolbar here. Okay, so these are the toolbar as well. So we have the drawing window. So the general white space here is the drawing window. You can see the general white space here is the drawing window. Then we have the property bar. So this is the property bar. Okay, so if I click on any object or any tool here, you can see the corresponding properties. Okay, let me pick the picture. You can see the corresponding properties. You can see zoom, you can see it. So that's the property bar. Then we have the Docker. The Docker is to my right. It's just like I refer to them as mini windows. Okay, you can see hint. Okay, that's the Docker for hint. You can also see the Docker for properties. Okay, so that's the Docker. That's the Docker. Then we'll have the rulers. Okay, they are in two, horizontal and vertical. Okay, you can see the horizontal and vertical. So we have the document palette. So this is the document palette with colors on them. Okay, so what it means is that we keep on creating elements on our document. You can see, so let me give this a blue, let me give this a yellow, let me give this a red, and let me give this an orange. Okay, so you can see the colors keep on updating themselves on the document and palette. Okay, so the next one is the document navigator. You can see these are different let me say I have another page here. You can see, so these are the document navigator. Then the next one is a drawing page. The drawing page is now this inner white box here. which is the A4 paper size we selected initially. Then we have the status bar. This is the status bar. It just gives you basic information of elements on your document. You can see just give you basic information about elements on your document. Then we have the navigator, which is right here. So let me say I have added a lot of elements to my document and they are way up what I can view at once on the page. Okay. For you to use a navigator, you just have to mouse over here, click and drag this box. You can see I can move along the document. Then the next one is a color palette, and this is the color palette here for the document. So you can see all the different colors you can use here. I want to strongly believe you familiarize yourself with the graphic user interface for Coreldraw 2020. Ensure you subscribe to my channel so that I don't miss out on my future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.